Right, good morning YouTube. Lynn Brooks asked for this video and it's how I drill my pots. I have drilled my pots, but my husband's going to do it today because I'm going to do the filming. We bought these drill bits from eBay. They're not very expensive, but they're diamond drill bits, and you can buy them individually or you can buy them as a set. So I think my husband bought them individually, and they're very good. You just use these. These are the pots. They're just ordinary pots that I bought for a couple dollars at our local DIY store, might have 10. We have this to stabilise the pot when it's being drilled, and these are the little plugs that you drill out. So the one thing I will say is when you do drill these pots, you really ought to, in fact it's essential that you wear a mask because it just produces quite a lot of dust. And I'd also recommend quite a powerful drill because although a battery drill's okay, that's quite an old drill and I don't think it's got the oomph. So my husband uses the electric drill. So I'm going to get him to come over now and start drilling. So what he does is he puts the drill piece in there, nice and tight, stabilises the pot on that. It's just a weak bag actually, it's just something, probably a heavy bag or something to stabilise it. And then he just drills. It's going to be quite noisy, so I'll stop talking. Try and get a better view. I might have to hold it for him just to start it off. There you go. So that's one hole drilled, and I usually I'll put another hole exactly opposite that, and then another two opposite again, so like in a cross section. And so long as you little bit of water helps. Just helps it keep the dust down. Let's see this angle. Obviously you've got to be careful with water and electricity. But as you can see, it's fairly easy. So I hope that helps. We'll carry on drilling some more holes now. And any questions, just ask. Thanks for watching.